All right, thank you, Britt. And hey, today we are talking about allergies and our pets. And Dr. Jerome Williams, our regular contributor here on Good Day Alabama, along with Dr. Tomeshia Hubbard, here from time to time. She owns Alabama Veterinary, Allergy, and Dermatology Services. Great to see both of you.
It's good to be here.
And Nino.
And Nino. All right, so Dr. Hubbard, I mean, let me start with you, Dr. Williams, because I know when we bring our pets to you, you get to a point you'll look at it and you go, here's something going on that it's not your specialty, so you would send them to someone like Dr. Hubbard.
Right.
Talk about what you would see.
Skin, respiratory, other types of allergies that I don't have the expertise to handle appropriately. So we refer to a specialist like Dr. Hubbard.
Okay, so Dr. Hubbard, I know you sent in some photos to give us some examples of some of the problems that our pets deal with. And guys, if we can put up that first picture here and you can tell us what we're looking at.
So that is a photo of an intradermal skin test. We usually use the skin test to identify the allergens that the pet are usually having an allergic reaction to. Okay. So we test for several different types of trees, grasses, moles, pollens, human dander, cat dander, dog dander, lots of things. Yes.
So they can be allergic to us?
Exactly. They can be allergic to us. We exfoliate our skin and it sheds off into the environment, collects in the dust. So we have to test for all those things.
Okay,
is that cotton and wool?
Cotton and wool.
Okay, so that's so we don't think about them being allergic to the normal things that we have in our home, but they are many times.
They can be. Okay, so, dust mites is definitely something that they can be allergic to. So if you don't dust regularly, they can have an allergy to
dust mites, but I know they're there. All right, what are we looking at here?
So that is a pet that has a secondary bacterial infection on the inner thighs. And usually they will create an infection once they've started biting, chewing, scratching, licking in those areas. And you get those red inflamed bumps on the skin.
Yeah, that's not nice. So what do you end up doing for something like that?
Well, a lot of times we'll put them on a course of antibiotics, usually for about 3 weeks, and that'll take care of the secondary infection. But we still have to address the allergy. So a lot of times it will come right back. So if we don't address the allergy itself by either starting them on antihistamines or starting them on allergy shots to correct the allergies, this will just continue to happen over and over again.
Okay, I think we have one more picture if we can put that up and take a look at that.
Yep, that's a kitty that has severe seasonal allergies. And so the kitty is basically rubbed and scratched the face until we've got all of these excoriations. Yes.
I had one in Saturday that looks sort of like that.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. And so it's all underneath that hair and you can't see it, but it's driving them crazy.
Exactly. And sometimes they'll even rub the fur out, just like this kitty has done. So if you see lesions like that on your pet skin, you definitely need to take them in to see your vet.
Because it could be something very simple, right, Dr. Williams?
Yes, And what allergies are we seeing most often this time of year? We know it's allergy season. I'm dealing with it myself, but what type we see most often?
So we'll usually see a lot of ragweed allergies. A lot of trees are pollinating now, so a lot of the trees can contribute to that. So we just want to be aware that, if you're letting your pet stay outside for extended periods of time, that the allergies can cause them some problems. They may have runny eyes, red eyes, sneezing, and itching and scratching.
Keep an eye out for them. They can't talk to us, but they'll have those symptoms of scratching that means they need to be looked at. Thank you, Dr. Hubbard, Dr.
You're welcome.
All right.
Good to see both of you.
Always good to be here.
And thank you. You were a good pet today.
Yeah.